Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Dan from TechFit360 back with another tech video. I know I've been MIA for a few weeks due to my 9 to 5, but I sincerely thank you for your continued support during my brief absence. And as a display of my appreciation, I invite you all to take part in my 2018 summer giveaway. I'll be giving away 2 sets of the Stealth 700 wireless gaming headphones from TurtleBeach for your Xbox One or PS4 Gaming Console. Now, this is the exact headset I use when time permits for me to do a little gaming on my Xbox One X. So let's take a quick look at them. TurtleBeach has been producing high-quality gaming headsets since around 2005, and I personally have never owned a pair I didn't enjoy. In my opinion, they have always been very comfortable and very reliable, or else you wouldn't see them here on my channel. The Stealth 700 Xbox One version comes in black and green, while the PS4 version comes in black and blue. On the left side of the headphones is where you'll find all your controls, including the flip-up microphone. This is not a review, but I will quickly list the features of this headset. It's glasses friendly, Bluetooth connectivity, flip-up microphone, Windows Sonic surround sound, active noise cancellation, superhuman hearing, audio presets, and mic monitoring, which is one of my favorite features. It's very simple to enter. All you have to do is follow the link in my description. This giveaway will run through Labor Day, September the 3rd, and I'll announce the winners on September the 4th. The winners can then choose the Xbox One or PS4 version, and I'll ship ASAP. So what is your main gaming console, and what headset do you currently use? Please be sure to leave me some comments below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe for more tech videos. Now go enter to win, and I'll catch you in my very next video.